In December of 2012, with the White House and lawmakers unable to reach a bipartisan solution to the fiscal cliff before the mandated deadline, affluent investors surveyed by Spectrum Group said they considered the partisan political climate to be the most serious threat to achieving their financial goal at that time. Since then, their concern over the political environment has decreased, and their focus has centered mainly on the economy. The highest percentage of these investors said in June that currently the economy is the biggest threat to achieving their household's financial goals. This is up from 16% in March and 14% in December, and the highest percentage since September of 2011. Nearly 1/4 of affluent investors overall said they perceive the economy to be the most serious obstacle to achieving their financial goals, versus 20% of millionaire investors specifically. The stock market as well is increasingly seen as the most serious threat by affluent investors to achieving their financial goals. 16% so responded in June, up from just 11% in March. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had dropped by about 1% since before Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke testified in May before the Joint Economic Committee in Congress that the Fed would consider tapering its bond buying program. Remember, this survey by Spectrum was taken before Wall Street's worst sell-off of the year, following Chairman Bernanke's comments at the Fed's Federal Open Market meeting, in which he further laid out conditions by which the central bank would wind down its stimulus policies, possibly by the end of this year. A significant drop in the economic outlook of non-millionaire investors was primarily responsible for the decline in June of the Spectrum Affluent Household Outlook, which reversed 4.37 points to 13.94 after 3 consecutive months of gains. The Outlook is a monthly survey of affluent attitudes towards 4 financial factors that impact their daily lives. Household assets suffered a double-digit drop from 34.74 in May to 23.49, while company health dropped 5.28 points to 7.04. The only component with a positive gain in June was household income, which ticked upward 1.57 points to 10.77. Despite the setbacks, this is the second consecutive month that the overall affluent household outlook and all of its components posted positive readings. Our survey of affluent investors further breaks down attitudes and behaviors by millionaire and non-millionaire households. The non-millionaire outlook dropped 10.77 points to 2.64, a reversal also after 3 months of gains. On the flip side of things, millionaire investors displayed a more confident outlook in June than their non-millionaire counterparts. The millionaire outlook dipped 1.7 points from the previous month to 20.40. Over the next couple of weeks, corporate America will begin to roll out its quarterly earnings results. Initial thoughts on the street are pointing to little profit growth among the companies in the S&P 500, which, coupled with the uncertainty over the Fed's next actions, could further depress positive sentiment over the potential rebound in U.S. equity markets. Once again, this is Randy Wostratzky with the Spectrum Group. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.